Welcome to Rock Septum Rings. Today I want to go over with you the kinds of septum jewelry there are. First of all, we'll hop right into it with the horseshoe septum ring, also known as a circular barbell. It's what I have in my nose also. This piece of jewelry, you'll just unscrew the ball like this to put it in your septum piercing. It unscrews like so, and then once you get it in your septum piercing, you'll just screw the ball back on to hold it in place. Next up, we have the septum clicker. Okay, there's the example of the septum clicker. That's our chain septum ring. And with the septum clicker, you just pull it open like that with a click. And once you insert this end into your nose, you'll put it back down. This one's a little hard to close, and click like that, and it's closed up so it holds securely in your septum piercing. Next, we have the hinged segment ring. This is like that, and this is our spiked hinged segment ring that you'll find on our website. With the hinged segment ring, that's like a septum clicker. It's more seamless though, and it opens just like that and then closes the same way once you get it in your septum piercing. And finally, we have the captive bead ring. This is a really tiny one, so it's kind of hard to work with. It's just got the ball on the end of it that you snap in and snap out like that. You can barely see it. And then once you get that in your septum piercing, you just snap the ball back in and it holds secure in your septum piercing. So that's the ones I wanted to go over with you that I have. There's also a septum tusk. It kind of sort of looks like a little mustache that goes through your septum and comes out the edges of your nose. And I don't have one of those right now, but I just want you to be aware there's that type also. And then a septum retainer, which can be a clear piece of like acrylic, or sometimes they're surgical steel. And you can put those in your septum to hold the hole open whenever you want to hide your septum piercing, so people can't see it when you're like at work or whatever. Check out our website, and we have several pages of septum rings you can view, all different types. And also there's different materials that you use, like surgical steel and titanium, acrylic. Titanium is the best for your septum piercing. So keep that in mind. It's best to use like on brand new septum piercings. So I just wanted to go over those with you. Thank you for watching the video, and please look through our website and find something you'll enjoy.